It was an amazing experience. I just cannot tell you. It was just like that you're in a fairy tale. It was the rich of culture, tradition and everything. You just don't feel that it's some like cinematic thing. You just feel like that you are into it. And I'm just loving China so much.
This is the most beautiful and historical site I visited. As a historian, this is a feast for me. This is beautiful and how this is carved. You can look the design.
Pakistan is an agriculture country. We are looking forward to benefit from the experience of China as our iron brother, and China has always been very helpful to us.
Which I have seen over here, and China is absolutely amazing. China has preserved their archaeological things, will be absolutely amazing, and Pakistan can learn a lot of things from it.
大家好，我叫美月，来自巴基斯坦。这里非常的美，就感觉我们来到了古代的时候一样。这里很多人都是美美的，穿了中国的传统的衣服。我很喜欢这个城市，还推荐其他人也可以来这里玩。
It's mean long live Pakistan-China friendship.